In this video, I'll show you how you can use the inKind app to save money when you eat out. How this app works is that you'll get 20% cash back at any of the restaurants that are on this app. The thing is though, that the cash back you get is in the form of an inKind credit, so you still have to use it at other inKind restaurants. Once you open up the app, it should look something like this. Right now, my location is set to Atlanta, but you'll be able to see all the different restaurants around your area, and then you can go ahead and select one of the dots and it will show you the restaurant and how much cash back you earn. So for this example, Tin Lizzie's, you'll be able to get up to 20% cash back. And for the majority of the restaurants, it should be around 20%. But that's the first thing I would do is confirm that the restaurant you're going to is on this app if you want to get cash back for it. Once you're ready to pay the bill, you can grab the check number from the top of your receipt and enter it here. Then it'll show you your total, and then you can include your tip here too. And then from there, you can pay using your card that's connected to your inKind account. And toward the bottom, you'll see how much cash back you earn. Once you're ready, you can click pay, and it'll take a couple seconds to load, but you should get a final confirmation. But as a heads up, the cash back does expire within 2 months, so you want to make sure you use it before then. It looks like for certain restaurants, you might not need the check number. You can go ahead and select pay bill, and then you can enter in the bill amount without your tip. And then the next screen here, you can then choose your tip amount, and then you can also select the server there. So just want to give you a heads up just in case you see this. Besides earning 20% cash back, another great benefit of this app is all the discounts they have. So if you open up the app and select the rewards on the bottom right, you'll see all the different offers that they have. And because it's Father's Day is coming up, you can see all the different offers here. So this is another great way to save on eating out. I wanted to show you another way to maximize this inKind app. Some Costco's actually sell inKind gift cards. So you can see here, for example, there's a $100 gift card for $80. So if you happen to always go to an inKind restaurant, this is another great way to save money. Thanks for making it this far into the video. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments.